Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to do the opening of my 2 Stickii clubs envelopes, because I got 2 this time around. I got the vintage pack and I got the cute pack. I got both of these because they were the ones I liked the most. I looked at the one for the month of June. I was not a big fan, so I'm going to be skipping that month and seeing. That's the fun part of this, is you can change the kits. You can skip some, you can skip all of them if you want, or you can cancel at any time. So it's a really good way of getting some if you want, or you know, like, you don't have to be, you're not stuck forever, you know. So this is the vintage one. I was really excited about this one. In the interest of science, it's such a cute little paper pack, and so it has all kinds of scientific things. These are little bookmarks. They're really adorable. This way. So those are the little bookmarks. There's always this little thing to put at the corner, but I don't usually use it because I kind of combine my packs after a while together, so I don't want to have the name of it on it. Okay, and then the rest of it was, I just loved it so much, because check that out. Isn't that like perfect washi type of thing for me, with the bones and the ideas? I really liked it a lot. And then you've got these, which are views from a microscope. I haven't looked at one of those in like forever. Then you have stars and moons. So fun. A bunch of brains. So you've got notes, thoughts, ideas, observation, notes, and then it repeats itself. But how fun is that? Then the instrument of science, and the same ladies we saw in the front as a little bookmark. And then there's these here, which are so pretty. It says like microscopy, zoology, science, gossip, astronomy, geology, botany, and like, yeah, it's really fun. Hopefully you can see what it is. And then here, that's the one that really got me interested, because it's piles of books, and I thought it would be perfect for in my obonichi to represent when I have when I'm reading books and stuff. Not that I've been reading much. I've been taking a class about the future self. I'm almost finished. I mentioned it in my channel before. So this cute little paper pack has these little bears on it. It's just adorable. And then it has a little stamp, and the little stamp is a little cat in a coffee. He's stuck in a coffee pot, basically. Why am I, like, I'm finding that he's all kind of crooked. But yeah, so very cute. Then you have these here, which are so fun, coffee shop theme. This one has cakes. And then This one is all sorts of fun drinks. This is perfect because I just recently went out with my husband. We went to visit my daughter downtown Montreal, and coming back we stopped for a milkshake, so it's gonna be perfect for that. Fun little goodies. Again, the cats and coffee related things. Guess it's this one. That's the stamp. Then some washi strips. And these adorable little macaron shop. And then what is this? A card? Yeah, that's a card. Sweet. Very adorable. I don't know what I will do with it, but it's very adorable. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know that some of you had shown interest in seeing them when I do get them. I didn't share the month of April because I got it early May, so it was kind of so late. But yeah, this is this was the month of May. And like I said, I'll be skipping out the month of June because I wasn't into it. But we shall see for the month of July. So that's it, guys. Love you guys. Bye.